Hello everyone. Today topic literary terms. Unit number 4 paper second. First alliteration. The repetition of initial consonantal sounds in a sequence of neighboring words is called alliteration. Example: landscape, lover, lord of language. Second example: went to the sessions of sweet silent thoughts. Second literary term: ballad. Definition of ballad: a folk song or a poem which tells in a direct and dramatic manner some popular story. Example: Astrid Coleridge's Christabel and The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. Third, heroic couplet. Two lines of iambic pentameter with same rhyme. Chaucer introduced heroic couplet into English. Example: Chaucer the Prologue. Fourth literary term है irony. A device by which a writer expresses a meaning which is contradictory to the stated one. 5. Lyric. Lyric is a short poem expressing the personal mood, feelings, or meditation of a single speaker. In ancient Greece, a lyric was a song for the accompaniment on the lyre. 6. Simile. A comparison between two different things, actions, feelings, using words as or like. Example: my love is like twice. 7. Metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that directly refers to one thing by mentioning another. It may provide clarity, hidden similarities between two ideas without the use of like or as. Example: the snow is a white blanket. Second example: the life is a dream. 8. literary term है soliloquy. It is a theatrical device whereby an actor expresses his thoughts to the audience while he is alone on the stage. 9. Ode. Ode is an elaborate poem in the form of an address. It is always serious and elevated in tone. Odes are of following types. First, Pindaric ode. Second, oration ode. Third, irregular or English ode. 10. Sonnet. Sonnet is a poem of 14 iambic pentameter lines with a fixed rhyme scheme. A single thought is introduced, developed, and concluded in limits. Sonnets are ordinarily by Sonnets are ordinary of two kinds. First, the Petrarchan sonnet. Second, Shakespearean sonnet. Okay, thank you.